Sexual harassment is bad for business. Please note that the Legal Information Society of Nova Scotia does not provide legal advice, only legal information. Please consult with a lawyer for more information pertaining to any personal situations. Sexual harassment in the workplace is a serious issue. It impacts everyone in the workplace. Women, BIPOC folks, and members of the 2S LGBTQIA+ community are often affected at a higher rate. Sexual harassment is bad for business. It can negatively impact business and the bottom line. The potential for alienation of customers is high, as well as low employee morale leading to a high turnover rate are consequences of not addressing sexual harassment. Under the law, sexual harassment is a form of discrimination. The Nova Scotia Human Rights Act and the Canadian Human Rights Act forbid workplace sexual harassment. This means that no matter what kind of organization you work for in Nova Scotia, you have a legal right to a workplace free of sexual harassment. The Supreme Court of Canada has also recognized that sexual assault and sexual harassment are forms of discrimination based on sex and gender. The Nova Scotia Human Rights Act applies to provincially regulated workplaces, such as shops and services, offices, restaurants, and many more, and the Canadian Human Rights Act applies to federally regulated workplaces, such as banks, telecommunication agencies, most airport businesses, military, and much more. If you are still determining whether your workplace is under federal or provincial jurisdiction, you can contact the Nova Scotia Human Rights Commission or the Federal Human Rights Commission. If you are employed by or a member of the Canadian Armed Forces, you can go directly to the Canadian Human Rights Commission or apply to have your file transferred to them. The Legal Information Society is proud to provide survivors of workplace sexual harassment up to 4 hours of free legal advice through our Safe at Work program. For more info, email safeatwork@legalinfo.org. For more information and resources, visit legalinfo.org.